Picture this. You're standing at Changi Airport, about to board your flight for the June school holidays, and you're dreading those massive roaming charges that always hit your wallet like a sledgehammer. What if I told you there's a way to get completely free mobile data overseas? And the only catch is watching a few short ads? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Singapore-based startup Firsty is turning this into reality, and it's shaking up the entire travel data industry. Want to dive even deeper and get exclusive investing insights delivered to you every single day? For just $1 a month, you can become a premium member and unlock a wealth of additional content, including daily market analysis covering emerging tech trends like this, early insights into promising investment opportunities in the travel tech space, and deeper dives into specific sectors that are disrupting traditional industries. Think of it as your daily dose of financial fuel. Just click on the membership tab to join. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2024 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 950,000 reads and 57,000 likes. I produced over 800 videos with more than 380,000 watch hours as of May 2025. I also focus on regional and global economic trends. Today, we're diving into how innovative startups are completely reimagining the travel data market. We'll explore Firsty's revolutionary ad-supported model, examine the competitive landscape with players like telcos and their Goose eSIM, and most importantly, understand what this means for investors looking at the massive growth potential in this space. Let's start with the numbers that should grab every investor's attention. The eSIM market had 40 million users in 2024. But here's the kicker. It's projected to explode to over 215 million users by 2028. That's more than a 400% growth rate in just 4 years. Think of it like watching a small stream turn into a rushing river. Now, what makes Firsty so interesting from an investment perspective? They've cracked a code that nobody else has figured out. Instead of charging up front for data like traditional providers, they've created an ad-supported model. Users watch short advertisements and get up to 300 megabytes of free data daily, plus unlimited access to messaging apps and partner services like Uber. But here's where it gets really smart. First, they moved their headquarters from Amsterdam to Singapore in March and raised $5.5 million to expand across Asia Pacific. Why Singapore? Because it's the perfect launchpad for the Asian travel market, which is absolutely massive and growing fast. The competition is heating up too. Tuas, which owns local telco Simba Telecom, launched their Goose eSIM in October 2024. While they don't offer free data like Firsty, their pricing is incredibly aggressive. A Goose Travel eSIM from Malaysia costs just $1.50 per gigabyte and stays valid for an entire year. Compare that to traditional roaming charges, and you're looking at savings of 80% or more. What's fascinating is how these companies are positioning themselves against global giants like Arlo and Gigski. It's like watching David take on Goliath, but with better technology and smarter business models. The local players understand regional needs better and can offer more competitive pricing. Now, let's talk about the technology itself. eSIMs are embedded chips in your phone that work exactly like physical SIM cards, but you can switch providers digitally. No more hunting for local SIM cards or dealing with complicated setup processes. It's like having a universal remote for mobile networks worldwide. The market dynamics are shifting rapidly. Traditional telcos like Singtel, M1, and StarHub are scrambling to compete. Singtel's roaming starts at $5 for 1 gigabyte in nearby countries, while StarHub charges $6 for similar coverage. But when you can get free data or pay just $1.50 for the same service, the choice becomes obvious. Here's what really excites me as an investor: the partnership model. Firsty has partnerships with travel platforms like Trip.com and Get Your Guide, and they're looking to add regional players like Grab and Gojek. This gives them massive distribution reach without building everything from scratch. The user adoption tells an interesting story too. Firsty already has over 600,000 users despite launching just in August 2024. That's impressive traction in a competitive market. But what's more telling is the user behavior. Some travelers are willing to watch ads for free data, while others prefer paying small amounts for premium speeds. However, not everyone is convinced about the ad-supported model. Some users find 300 megabytes too limiting and watching ads inconvenient. But this creates opportunities for tiered pricing models and premium services that could drive additional revenue streams. The broader trend here is clear. Travelers are becoming more price conscious and tech savvy. They want flexibility, competitive pricing, and seamless experiences. Companies that can deliver on all three fronts are positioning themselves for massive growth. So what are the key takeaways here? First, the travel eSIM market is experiencing explosive growth with over 400% expansion expected by 2028. Second, innovative business models like ad-supported free data are disrupting traditional roaming services. Third, regional players are successfully competing against global giants by offering better pricing and local expertise. And finally, the shift to eSIM technology is creating new opportunities for partnerships and distribution. This trend represents a massive opportunity for investors who understand the intersection of travel, technology, and changing consumer behavior. The companies that can solve real problems like expensive roaming charges while building scalable business models are the ones to watch. If you found this analysis helpful and want to level up your investing game with daily premium insights for just $1 a month, click the link in the description below to become a member. You won't regret having that consistent stream of valuable information that can help you on your financial journey.